A DJI sponsored video has come up with DroneXL's Jasper Allens. This DJI Osmo 360, which is going to be a competitor to Insta360 X5, it's going to be launching on July 31st, 2025. Some specs of this watch has been come out. The reviewer, that is DroneXL, said that this video is sponsored by DJI, so you cannot say it's 100% accurate or not. The framing could be viewed as a marketing demonstration rather than a standalone critique. The DJI Osmo 360 adopts a square form factor weighing 184 grams, which stands out as 18 grams lighter than Insta360 X5. Creators can slip it into the pocket easily. Dual fisheye lenses, each covering 180 degrees, sits front and back, with the camera switching footage in real time for seamless 360 view. A multi-layer coating bolsters lenses scratch resistance and durability for daily handling. Lenses remain non-replaceable, unlike what you can do in the Insta360, so you should be careful. DJI provides optional transparent protectors and certain kits like free lens replacement kits. The body conveys solidity, featuring a bright OLED display visible in sunlight, physical button for recording and lens switching, a recording indicator, multiple microphones, a power button with preset toggle, speaker and USB Type-C port, and a removable battery and microSD card slot. A standard quarter-inch screw mount at the base accommodates tripods and accessories and compatible with Osmo's quick release adapter. It supports fast charging at 23 watts via USB Type-C, and the combo kit offers a case for charging three batteries simultaneously. You get a 1 by 1-inch CMOS sensor tailor-made for 360 videos, yielding performance equivalent to a 1-inch sensor due to squarish design. This setup utilizes the full sensor area, avoiding waste common in rectangular sensors like Insta360's 1 by 1.28-inch version. The result should deliver a sharper 8K with improved details and shadows. You can record in 10-bit color, surpassing X5's 8-bit compatibility, enhancing natural gradients in skies and shadows. Support for D-Log M provides a flat profile for post-production flexibility, retaining details for cinematic grading and matching other cameras. The reviewer noted with more pixels essentially means better image quality with more details as well as low light performance. In low light test using Super Night mode at 8K 25 frames per second against X5 pure video mode, the DJI Osmo appears superior on the display. The reviewer says, I do think we have a clear winner here. For photographs, you can take 120 megapixel 360-degree images. The DJI Osmo 360 caters to various needs. The primary 360 mode records everything around the user, ideal for solo creators pulling multiple angles from single take, including tiny planet effects. The invisible selfie stick creates a floating camera illusion. Single lens mode functions like a traditional action camera, uses front or rear lenses with seamless stitching during recording, up to 5K at 60 frames per second. Selfie mode offers a third party wide angle view with the user centered, supporting 4K at 60 frames per second. Boosting video on single lens provides an ultra-wide 170 plus degree field of view reaching 4K at 120 frames per second for super slow motion. This flexibility will benefit vloggers and action enthusiasts, simplifying workout flows without screws. Building on that, intelligent tracking in DJI Mimo app or DJI Studio desktop app follows subjects like humans, vehicle, or pets in 360 spaces. Built-in microphone enable stereo or mono recording with adjustable wind noise reduction. The reviewer testing the internal mic said this is how it sounds like using the internal mic on Osmo 360. Wireless integration with DJI mic to a mini transmitters connect directly, allowing remote recording control and on-screen level plus ambient backup. Storage includes 128 GB internal, expandable by microSD card unlike X5's card-only requirement. Battery life is 100 minutes of 8K 30 frames per second panoramic video at 25 degree, aided by high thermal conductivity. Test showed 118 minutes of continuous recording versus X5's 44 minutes before overheating. Waterproofing to 10 meters without a case suits activities. No overheating occurred in the short video during the vlogging. DJI supplies accessories like 1.2-meter selfie stick, recommending at least 0.75 meters from subject to avoid stitching issues. Options include 2.5-meter carbon fiber extension pole, 1.6-meter tripod selfie stick that unfolds on contact, a rotating handle for bullet time effects, and third-party mouthpiece for first-person views. Kit bundle mics for immediate high-quality audio. The reflector reviewer said, honestly, it is a lot of fun using Osmo 360. It's a great combination, and I love that I don't think about framing. I just hit record and worry later. This pre-release insight into DJI Osmo 360 position it as a tool for drone users seeking seamless 360 integration, enhancing operational creativity with minimal effect. As the market awaits the launch, this sponsor preview underscores trends in accessible, immersive tech, though full independent reviews will be needed.